Hey guys, we are in Divjakë. This is a national park here in Albania and it looks awesome.
So this is called Karavasta Lagoon and it's one of the biggest lagoon.
Yeah, full of mosquitoes, sorry.
So it's one of the biggest lagoon in Albania. It's true, it's full of mosquitoes. We are struggling right now. It's a very nice park along the main road where you come by car. There is also a bridge where you can walk, you can do your morning walk, afternoon walk. It's very, very nice. It's surrounded by trees, as you can see. And I really enjoy it here. I don't come as often, but when I do, I really like it.
So if you can see right there, guys, there is a tower where everybody comes. We went here last time, Monika and her sister. The view is amazing, it's breathtaking. However, Monika has never been in the lagoon, neither myself.
I've never, yeah, it's true.
And we really want to take advantage today because it's a beautiful day. It's sunny, which has been really hard to
Be careful
to
there.
get it. Look, you can get the water right there.
Yep.
Again. And yeah, this is a very touristic place. A lot of people, they come here, especially to get to the tower. But yeah, if we come next to the bridge, it's a lot of mosquitoes.
And we've arrived to the tower. The tower is 11 floors high. There is no elevator, so you have to walk all the way. But it's totally worth it because the view, for me, it's amazing. It's a must do when you're in the lagoon.
Yeah, we took it last time, but neither Monica or myself have been in the lagoon. And I want to take Monica in the lagoon because we want to see how it is. We do have footage from this one, we'll show you soon. The view from here, guys, is really nice. So yeah, we'll show you soon how amazing everything looks from here.
Divjakë National Park, located in the heart of Albania, is an amazing destination to visit. This is a place of unparalleled natural beauty and a must-visit destination for anyone looking to explore the great outdoors. One of the main attractions of Divjakë is the incredible wetlands. This is one of the largest lagoons in the Balkans, home to a diverse range of wildlife and flora. As you explore the park, you will encounter beautiful bird species like flamingos, pelicans, and marvel at the stunning landscape that surrounds you. But the park is not just about the wetlands. The surrounding countryside is simply breathtaking with rolling hills, dense forests, and sparkling lakes. This is a place where you can truly connect with nature and experience the peace and tranquility that comes with being surrounded by such beauty. One of the best ways to explore Divjakë is by hiking or biking through the countryside. There are plenty of trails to choose from, each offering its own unique views and experiences. Along the way, you will encounter picturesque villages and ancient ruins, giving you a glimpse into the rich history of the culture of the area. And of course, no trip to the park will be complete without sampling the local cuisine. The food here is delicious, but what is the top-notch of taste in Divjakë is the marinated fish, fried calamari, and shrimp from the lagoon. Overall, we totally recommend a visit to the Divjakë National Park. This is a place where you can truly escape from the stress of the modern life and immerse yourself in the beauty of nature and the rich culture of Albania.
What you doing?
I'm marinating the salad because it doesn't come marinated, so you can, put the oil and salt according to your flavors.
What is this? Look at this.
Okay, that's fish carpaccio. It's very tasty. Basically, it's this fish. It's marinated with olive oil, lemon, something else, but I don't know what's that.
I think it's vinegar. So this is our fourth time in this restaurant, and this is the first time that we're vlogging. I don't know why. Like, I always forget about it because we come here always very hungry. Today is no deception, but yeah, it's really, really good.
Look at the head of the fish.
You know, and we got the shrimps. Now, why the shrimps are so special, Monica?
Because they are grown in the lagoon, and obviously the water in the lagoon is sweet water. It's not salty water. That's why both the fish and the shrimps, they taste very nice.
Besides that, these people here, they know what they're doing. So what's the name of the restaurant?
It's called Panoramic. It's an Albanian name and last name. Something else, the ambassador of the United States has come to visit this place. So she approves it, and it's very good.
Yeah, it's in the middle of the way in Divjakë. Usually when we go to Laura, when we go to the south, we stop here because it's really good, guys. The food is really healthy and extremely good. Very, very good. Totally recommended. Hi guys, you see this amazing view? Yes, we are in Tepelene in Albania. On our way to Tirana, we saw this amazing hotel and we just find out if they have any room available. Well, turns out they had this amazing room.
Amazing room.
Just check out the size of the terrace. This is unreal, like unreal. But you want to see the best part? Let us show you our room. So we come here. This is the waterfall at the entrance. This is the bathroom. Yeah, finally there is a bathtub that I can fit on. Shower is right there. And look at the view, guys. It's another balcony right here. And then we come this way.
This is my makeup place.
Yeah. And this is a little bed with some couches here. And we can go out to this balcony. Yeah, I'm struggling with the curtains. This way. Check this out, guys. That's the natural water that comes from the mountain.
Okay, this place is called the Cold Water, or Uistot in Albanian. It does come from the mountain. The view is amazing.
Look the color of the water. It's unreal. Yep. It's very, very beautiful.
Also, Alberta is huge.
Yeah, it's a massive balcony. Check this out. Wow.
I don't think you can see me when I take a shower. The windows are too dark.
Yeah. Extremely nice, guys. Zero complaints. So
I think this is the best decision we made. We were almost about to go home when we saw this hotel, and we were like, yeah, let's sleep one more night here.
yeah. So we'll keep you posted. I hope you like it as much as we do.
Today we want to share with you our opinion about an amazing hotel, the Vjosë Hotel in Albania. And before we dive into all the incredible things about this hotel, we want to make it clear that this review is not a sponsor or paid in any way. This is our honest opinion based on our experience at this hotel. Now, let's talk about this amazing hotel. This is a hidden gem that we stumbled upon during our travels, and we were blown away by the beauty and tranquility of the location. The hotel is situated in the stunning Albania countryside, surrounded by lush greenery and crystal clear water. As soon as we arrived, we felt like we were in a different world, far away from the stress of every day. The hotel itself is just as breathtaking as the location. The rooms were elegant and comfortable. With all the amenities you could need for a relaxing stay, the terrace next to our room was simply stunning, with the view of the clear blue water and a peaceful atmosphere that is perfect for unwinding. The size of our balcony was exceptional, regardless that it was a cloudy day. We truly enjoyed the view and the tranquility of the relaxing sound of the running water next to the hotel. Overall, this is an amazing hotel enough. It is truly a hidden gem that is well worth a visit. If you're looking for a peaceful retreat and a stunning location with luxurious amenities and exceptional service, then this is the hotel for you. Trust us, you won't be disappointed.
So, just to give you small details about this amazing room, it comes with this amazing coffee machine, and then we have this right here, normal. Look, it's wet.
That's a mountain deer.
So this is the mountain tea in Albania.
It has a very nice taste.
It does have an amazing taste. Kettle, and we also have here a mini bar, and the prices are here. So basically, yeah, so from €2, the most expensive is the Red Bull, which is €5. And yeah, the water is just €1. Monica is gonna show you what she likes about here.
It will be my pleasure. Now, I cannot wait in every hotel that I go to get to the bathroom because I like to see all this stuff and what they have. You know how we like to take all this stuff to steal it. But they have the shampoo, the conditioner. Look, they have a dental set, shower cap. They even have a sewing kit. Nice. And of course a vanity set. I like all those goodies. And of course the dryer, the mirror is just amazing for me. I can do my makeup here. The lighting is perfect. Obviously the view is more perfect. Yep. The view is speechless. We are going down to the river to get a better look. And this is the view so far.
If you look on top, the top position is a room. The entire side, and plus the...
Yeah, the entire.
Yeah. Wow.
Look at this.
Look at the color of the water. For sure this water comes from the same blue eye that we showed you before. It's unreal, guys. It's a little bit cold right now. I guess during summer, if you come and stay in this hotel, you can swim here because the water is like super clear.
Hi, we are at the restaurant. We are ready to eat our breakfast. Usually it's a buffet, but because there's only a few people in the hotel, well, we're going to have like a personal plate. The view is, it's amazing. It's foggy, but it's nice.
So besides the amazing bread that Monica is enjoying so far, since I don't have anything, well, they have freshly made orange juice, guys, and you can see even the foam, you know, and everything is super fresh. Besides that, they brought us homemade yogurt. So this made this yogurt right here, and look at the presentation, guys. So delicious, looks so creamy. This is Monica's favorite.
I live for yogurt. Like every meal I need to have yogurt. That's how much I love it.
Albanians, just to make it clear, they consume the yogurt like natural, zero sugar, zero like nothing, very natural. Sometimes it's too much for me because I grew up and I was always my life eating yogurt with sugar or something sweet in it or fruit.
With fruit.
But let me try this one and let's see how it is. So they brought us the hot milk, but besides that, they brought us the mountain tea and this very, very fancy thermal. So Monica can tell you what is the mountain tea is coming from.
Well, it's a herb and obviously it comes from the mountains. I don't know if other places in the world they have it, but ours is very nice. It has this amazing taste. You shouldn't drink it with sugar, rule number one, so you can feel the real flavor.
Yeah, even though I like to drink sweet things, this is the only thing I tried without sugar from the very beginning. Monica told me you can put some sugar on if you want, but you shouldn't. So I listened to her, and it's a very nice flavor. I asked Monica if she has chamomile on it. It's not the same, but it has this very nice smell, guys. Yeah, like you can see it's very colorful, but when you try it, it's very soft and it's not bitter. It's very easy to drink. Yeah, I really, really like it. And it's quite healthy because it has all these vitamins and it's natural. So yeah, it's good. Story of our life. Just when we're about to leave the hotel, the sun decided to come out and show himself right there and there. But guys, by far it's the best hotel that we're staying in this 2022.
It's true, it's the best. The view from this hotel is just amazing. Like, I had no idea that Tepelene was this beautiful. It was really the best stay for 2022.
Yeah, the room service, the food, everything. Look at this view. Like, I still look. I told Monica, I said, how come you never told me that here in Albania you have a river like this? Because we have one in Costa Rica, and it's a big thing. Albanians, like nothing. And it's bigger, longer than the one in Costa Rica. So guys, yeah, thank you very much for watching this episode. Don't forget to subscribe, to share the video, leave the comments below. And remember, we also have a Molus Vlog in Facebook. Just follow us on Facebook too.
Yep.
And soon you can follow us on Instagram. This is it for today, and
ciao for now.